Hi, in this video we will be seeing how to use Azure AI to fill in Form 3CD annexures specific to section 269T. We will start by navigating to the assignment landing page where we will choose the client required and click on Form 3CD annexures. The system will take you to the Form 3CD landing page where all the sections presently available are listed. We will work with 269T in this video. For starters, it will show the status as yet to start because we've not made any changes to the section. So upon clicking on the first step, which is ledger selection screen, system will auto-populate to the user all the ledgers that are relevant to this section. Now, what does this section say? This is the reverse of section 269 SS, which was pertaining to borrowings. This is loan repayments of all unsecured loans. So any ledger that is classified as an unsecured loan, be it through banks, directors, friends or shareholders, and repayment made to the borrowings in these unsecured loans will be captured here if it is greater than 20,000. So the transaction limit is 20,000 rupees. So on the screen, the user sees the ledgers which are auto-populated. Why have they been chosen? Let us understand that. Bharathan has been chosen. It is a ledger that is classified as an unsecured loans shareholder, and other one that is chosen by the system is Varun loan account, where also you see that it is an unsecured loan under directors category. So thereby any transactions of repayment to these two unsecured loans made greater than 20,000 will be captured here. So we can see one example also. All the repayments will be captured in Form 3CD clause now. So also on this page, these are auto populated. However, the user can also add more ledgers if they feel it has got relevance to this clause by adding relevant details and saving the ledger. It is not mandatory to fill in the name, address and PAN, but if they are added, it will be populated in the report. So let's try that example and go to the next step. So what is there in the next step? It lists you all individual transactions which are greater than 20,000 rupees in the ledger. So Bharathan has such a long list of repayments and Varun loan account also has such a long list of repayments. One example we can see is 59,178 is one of the repayment and it will be captured here. So this is the list of all repayments made greater than 20,000 rupees. If we have added this international spinning, however, it is not at all getting populated in this page because it does not have any transactions which are repayments greater than 20,000. So though added in the first step, it is not getting listed here because it does not have relevant transactions. Finally, the user can see the final report, which will be the downloadable version to submit Form 3CD. We did not add any name, address and PAN for Bharathan, so that is not getting listed. For Varun, we added address and PAN and name, so the name is getting populated. So thus, the reason for filling up the details in the first page. And all other details required requisite for Form 3CD will be listed. The total amount outstanding in the account, whether the repayment has been made by bank or draft, yes, but if it is a cash transaction, then it will say no. All these are bank transactions. If we were to see, these are all payments made through IOB current account, hence it is showing yes in all these columns. Now the user can submit it and then the status changes to ready for review. Subsequently, after having submitted for review, if the tally has undergone changes in terms of any ledger mapping or any manual vouchers have been added or any change that has been made to the accounts, the user can come back to the screen and refresh the whole section once and it becomes yet to start, and any changes if it affects section 26090 will now be relevantly added to this section. The one effect of also refreshing is the user will miss out on all the manual vouchers added. International shipping was added, but when I refreshed, it is not relevant to the clause, so hence it is removed by the system automatically and only the relevant ledgers are displayed here. The user can still go back and add more ledgers as he pleases to do. So once the first year of books is submitted, in the subsequent years, if the manually added ledgers are still there, they will also get displayed, and ledgers pertinent to that year's accounts will also be displayed by the system for the user. Thank you.